Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com with a Forex quick look. I'm going to take a look at the dollar versus Canada. Today's date is March 13, 2024. Let's get started. Start by taking a look at the 4-hour chart. And in trading this week, we're halfway through the week. We've seen the up and down and up and down. That up and down price action is nothing new for this currency pair. We're seeing lots of ups and downs over the few weeks. If you can, going into last week, I guess the trend was more to the upside with higher highs and higher lows. But since the end of last week, the price fell back below this trend line. And the tilt has been more to the downside. One way you could look at that as well is we have a cluster of moving averages here. There's one, there's one, there's one, there's one. All these moving averages are within a range of 1.34788 up to 1.35. Looks like about 3.5 on the top side. So about 47 pips encompassing all of those. And at the high price this week, during yesterday's trade, the price moved up to get just above the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, but stay below the 100-day moving average. And in trading here today, we moved back below the 200 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. Now testing the 200-day moving average at 1.34788. If we get below that moving average, then the bias would shift even more to the downside. But you get my point. We're below this trend line. We're below the cluster, staying below or near the lows of the cluster of moving averages. And it's just one more moving average that we have to get through to increase the bearish bias. If we do go below that level, then we look toward the 38.2% retracement of the move down from this high right here to this low right here, or the double low down here. That level comes at 134.52, and if we break below that level, then we'll look toward this swing area down through here, where we had a number of different swing highs forming this ceiling through here before the market started trade above and below the level, and then I moved above the level, trying to use that level as support through here. Again, above and below the level before breaking to the upside and then reestablishing the level as support. So we've gone from support to resistance. And in trading last week, the low price came near the high of that level. So that would be the target on the downside. What would turn this pair back around again? Well, if we get above the 200 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, that would be step number one. That level, again, comes in at 1.34939. And again, and today the price did move a little bit above that level in trading during the European session / late Europe, Asian Pacific session, but could not sustain momentum and market rotated to the downside. So watching the 200-day moving average break below it opens the door for further downside. Watching the 134.93 level stay below it keeps the sellers more in control. On the downside, we had 38.2 and swing level to target on in that directional move. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.